the next day.
Welcome back to day 3 of the Thailand Phuket vlog. Today we have a tour with Klook and we're going to James Bond Island. I don't know what's happening, but I kind of saw some videos on YouTube and it looked pretty fun, so that's why we booked it. And yeah, let's go! So we just got picked up in the van. It's a pink van. I'll show you it later because we kind of arrived right on time. The guy's like, oh, get on! So we're like, okay. That's the van. Very pink. That was our super duper long ride. And we're still not there yet. I think it's like 30 more minutes.
Photos only better and depend on you. How long your legs, mom? Your
Helen's too
legs.
scandalous. She has to cover up.
Cover all.
She's wearing a poncho now. There's a Buddha in here, over 350 years old.
For the caves. It's really hot in here.
On time. Everybody, 21 minutes from now, next Muslim fishing village lunch time. When the boat running, sailing in the sea, your hands, your arms, don't show to outside the boat.
Our boat's so colorful. Got off the boat and now we're going for lunch in this village.
Muslim fishing village.
Happy sanitizer watching, guys.
We can sit anywhere then as sit here. Where are you going? Down there? Okay. Oh, yeah. I want fried rice. We just reached James Bond Island. Let's go see the boat. Our tour guide just took a photo for us with the leaning rock. I look so tall. Wow. That's how we got off our boat too. We had to stand on top.